Okay, all my beautiful people on the World Wide Web, all of my YouTube subscribers, for people who are finding me for the very first time, for everybody, all my loyal subscribers on my list, what's going on, guys? It's your boy, Marlon O Bennett. Guys, I'm here with some explosive news, and today I want to talk about a solution for anyone who's looking for a way to make money online um, or actually a cool alternative to making money working from home, and you don't even have to be online to do it. Guys, I'm super pumped up and I'm super excited, and welcome to the first real official launch of my Dialing for Dollars YouTube video automated marketing system and sales funnel. Now, two things are going to happen today, guys. If you're finding this video is live and views are running into my actual website as we speak, what's going to happen is two things, guys. I want to show you guys today a great opportunity that you can get involved with, where unlike most of the things you've probably been introduced to up until this point, if you've been on YouTube or you've been online looking for ways to make money from home, and to know, nothing just doesn't seem to be panning out for you. Well, today is a great day, guys, for anybody who's looking for a way to make money working from home. Okay, and like I said, two things are going to happen. Number one, I'm going to give away $25 today. Okay, I'm going to give away $25 today, and I'm looking for the 48 they say caller. I'm looking for the 48 subscriber on my list. Now remember, guys, a lot of people are watching this video. Everybody's not going to subscribe, so don't hesitate to go ahead and subscribe. You may be the 47th subscriber. So for the 47th subscriber who subscribes to my Dialing for Dollars newsletter, I'm going to actually give you $25. I'm going to send it to you in the mail. Now, for details on whether or not you're the winner, guys, you need to put your name and your email address inside of this box, and it's going to take you over to where you can find the details as to whether or not you're the winner in terms of the 47th subscriber to my newsletter. Now, guys, let's get on to the business about business, okay? Because everybody wins here, even if you're not the 47th subscriber. Because this is what's going to happen. Today, guys, I'm going to introduce you to a cool alternative to making money online where you don't have to build your own automated marketing systems and sales funnels like I do. Where you don't have to worry about setting up autoresponders. Where you don't have to worry about doing YouTube videos. Where you don't even have to sell anything to anybody, guys, okay? I want you guys to get super pumped up, okay? And I want you to dial my number, right? 301-850-6745. Watch your mobile device's text message inbox, because when you do that, you're going to get a message from my wife. Follow through, guys, because what's going to happen when you do, when you click the link inside your text message, we're going to run you over to that system that we're talking about. Now, remember this, guys. Whatever you decide to do in life, whatever you decide to do online, you have to put your heart and soul into it, okay? Whether it's online or whether it's offline. But the beauty about what's happening here today, guys, is I've been searching for months on end, looking for an alternative to email marketing. Not for myself, because I understand email marketing. I build my own automated marketing systems and sales funnels. You name it, I do it. But everybody doesn't want to do that, right? So that's what makes today's presentation so special, guys. You might be the 47th person who subscribed to my actual newsletter and win $25. But even if you don't, you're going to get to see a great presentation by my particular sponsor. It's going to get you super pumped up and excited. You guys will have all of my contact information. You can reach out and call me or text me. But what we're really trying to get away from here, right, is not having to be on the phone talking to people, not having to be in Facebook groups all day, right, not having to worry about all the ins and outs of what typical internet marketing entails. And so you are in for a treat when you see what I have for you on the other side of this presentation. So again, guys, get super pumped up, get excited. Go ahead on, put your name and your email address inside to see for all the details in terms of whether or not you're going to be the 47th subscriber on my newsletter and win the $25. And in the meantime, go ahead on and dial the number, guys. Again, that's 301 850-6745. Watch your text message inbox and prepare to get excited, okay? That's all I got for right now, guys. I got miles to go before I sleep. Thousands of more videos to shoot, and I'm just super pumped up and I'm super excited for you as well as myself and what's happening, guys, okay? Anyway, I gotta go, guys. I'll see you on the inside, okay? As always, this is your boy, Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, and I'll see you on the inside.